Everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Be revealing the newest Softlex company design kit, Badlands. Link down below in the description if this item is still available, as well as a tutorial playlist for all the creations I make with this wonderful kit. Always give us a list of what's included. Some of the items are currently available on softflexcompany.com, or they'll release them when they release the new kit on the last Wednesday of the month. And they do have some exclusive items as well that will only be found in the kit. And I will also leave a link down below in the description for all the other playlist tutorials of past design kits. So you can kind of get a sampling of why they're so fantastic. We see what's inside this wonderful kit for the month. To hit that subscribe button, it helps my little channel grow. We have a colorway in copper with our findings. We have a check glass turquoise color rondels, check glass amber color rondels, and an exclusive Jesse James bead mix, James bead strand that's complementary to the kit. It's not in the kit, but it matches perfectly. I did not purchase the strand this month. And then you have some exclusive items. A lot of check glass, orange nugget beads, copper plated. Oh, there's a compass in here. Oh, that's going to be fun. Ceramic light brown barrel beads and some more check glass chili pepper color beads. So I am super excited. Let's see what's inside. And you can use everything from your design kit. I know some artists have been using the string as part of their design, maybe to make tassels or cords on the back of the necklace. So let's see what's inside. So it's almost November. I can't believe, like, where has this year gone? But I just see these beautiful colors, and how pretty are those? It's the beautiful autumn tones. Oh, fun. So these I think are exclusive. Oh, these will be available on the last Wednesday of the month. I love these little gem cut beads. They are so fun. They'll be available on the last Wednesday of the month, October 30th. I just love these little gem cut beads. And these look just like Amazonite, one of my favorite gemstones. So pretty. But just look at the sparkle with them. So they're tiny but mighty. They're great for bead weaving. So super fun to create with those. We have our Softlex wire in copper. And then we'll have all her findings. We have our 2x2s in copper, and we have 20 of those. See the compass. A lot of pretty beads. That's such a pretty color palette. All the shades of amber and golds. And then we have our exclusive Jesse James bead mix in Badlands. So a lot of the same metals, and they'll kind of mix and match some of the colors that you might not think will go with this color combo. But then when you start designing with them, they just fit in perfectly. So we have our exclusive findings in the bag. We have our compass, ceramic light brown barrel beads, and chili pepper color beads. So I think these are those ones. Let's see what's inside. So we have our exclusive beads. We have our findings, our little lobster claw, and then our ear wires. Our beautiful compass. How pretty is that? And I wonder if you did like metal stamping, if you could engrave or stamp that on the back or engrave it. How pretty is that? That's a really unique piece. 26 millimeter. And these are our little chili pepper colored beads. So beautiful. I don't know if the camera is picking up just how much they sparkle, and there's like a little bit of green in there, and they just kind of glow. We have our ceramic beads, and they're a large hole, so that would be fun to pass a couple things of Softlex wire through it. Maybe braid your Softlex wire, or like some macrame with those. So pretty. And these are a really unique shape. Comment down below if you know the name of this shape. But they're like a sea glass. They have a really neat texture to them. So pretty. And they just blend so well together. And then, of course, we have these little beads. It's just like fall in a kit. So pretty. Softlex kits are amazing. and it never fails. As soon as I start unboxing them, I'm already creating. I already have ideas, so I can't wait to create with their kits. Move these off to the side for a little bit, and then we're going to open up the exclusive mix. And they do have the mixes released on the last Wednesday of the month when they release the new beads in here. Little turquoise beads. These are neat. These little barrel beads. I think these would be super fun to wire wrap. They're a little different. These are neat. They look like there's almost like a lapis inlaid in that bead. And you get two of those. Those would be pretty for earrings or even maybe put with a compass. A little bit different metals, but so pretty. And then we have these gold beads, and they're kind of like the antiqued golds. And they're matte metallic. And of course, we have to have our sparkle. How all the colors just blend so well together. So pretty. And then these large beads. It's almost like it's a different color than a copper. I'm not sure what that color would be called or that metal color, but they're a large hold spacer bead. So these would be pretty over like silver silk or maybe to make a slider bracelet. I know with these, I love to do like the stretch bracelets with Stretch Magic, and then you just hide your knot from the cord inside this little bead. And you can do the same thing with like a ceramic bead as well. These are neat. Almost like kind of like a sand color. Matte on one side and metallic. And we have some more ceramic beads. Those are pretty. And then some cubes. A lot of little fine. Oh, these are pretty. Beautiful, like citrine topaz color. And some matte beads. This would be a fun bead mix, just to buy an extra one of, just to have it, because there's so many little unique beads and findings. So pretty. We have all the little findings. More beautiful topaz colors. And I love the little turquoise. Just like a little 3 millimeter bead. And then we have our findings. So we have some spacers, some little beads, more spacers, and then some bead caps. So it'd be pretty with the little turquoise beads. We space that with those. I really like these gem cuts and then these chili pepper beads, maybe to make an illusion style necklace. So pretty. So this is Badlands for the Softlex Company Design Kit. Stay tuned for all upcoming tutorials. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And stay tuned for all the upcoming tutorials using this wonderful kit. Have a great day.